Ukraine's drone army is responsible for taking out huge amounts of Russian equipment, more equipment than most countries' armies have in total. Everything from supply trucks, tanks, armored vehicles, electronic warfare system or SAM system. While not every strike destroys a system, especially if it's more well armored as a tank, it most commonly results in some damage, making sure to degrade Russia's capability in smaller and bigger ways. But as FPV drones are highly maneuverable, they can target basically every ground vehicle, and as seen in this case a Tor-M2 driving between positions, being able to take out a $25 million system with a cheap drone. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.